Welcome to How to Become a Production SQL Database Administrator. I'm Raphael. When you're selecting an SQL administration course, you should ask yourself, what is the reason you're selecting that course for? And I'm going to give you 3 reasons to choose my course. 1. SQL administration course content with many real-life examples. If you look at my previous courses, you'll notice that I've had a tremendous amount of videos dedicated to specific course. I'm a firm believer that you should have extensive analysis and extensive demonstrations in understanding how SQL administration works. And I'm going to give you more than the average. 2, gain real-life experience of SQL administration faster with best practice scenarios. You will gain a faster understanding of SQL administration because we're going to be practicing the best practice in the SQL administration. These are the actual scenarios, these are the actual examples that I do in a production environment for my clients, and you'll be gaining that same knowledge. I can give you that as an example by looking at this little chart. You see experience on the left going up, you see time going to the right, you see my courses in the middle, and you see the arrow in the middle going upwards. And you, as a beginner student, will gain a great deal of experience in a faster time because you will be doing the best practices immediately. 3, support. If you have any questions about the course, ask me via instant message or email me. I'll be more than happy to help you. I think it's a great thing that you should have a support system behind you if you get stuck. I understand that you're a beginner, and I've designed my courses for beginners right to the pros. So whatever question you have that pertains to the videos, I'll be more than happy to answer. So let's begin the path to your successful future, and join me in SQL Server Administration Part 1.